Hi, it's Erin from MyFreezEasy again, and I want to show you how you can save your meal plan and then find the meal plans that you've saved in the past. So once you create a meal plan, for example, this one that we have here, you can save it and name it. So these are all slow cooker recipes, some of our favorites. So I might do freezer to slow cooker faves. Save. And we'll let that save to my account, and this specifically saves to your account. And then when you want to find that plan again, after you log in and come to the main first search categories page here in the web app, you will see right here my saved meal plans. So we can tap on that and we will see a list of all the meal plans that we have saved in the past. So here are the other ones that I have here. Here's the one I just added. It's holding this here because this is the last one that I had. But if I clear this list out and then I can add this here, it will pull in that particular list of recipes to review and print. And there they are. And that's how you save a plan, name a plan, and find your saved meal plans.